Oh, guys, does this not look delicious or what, my friends? Alright guys, overall, delicious. The pan worked great, no issues, cooked it great, absolutely love it. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend Scott. So today we are checking out this casserole dish. It is 12 by 6 by 9.2 by 3.4 inches, and it is ceramic. So you guys may have seen me review other products from this brand. This is one of my most favorite brands out there. You know, some people like Dyson for vacuums. Some people like Chewy, you know, brand, or Amazon Basic for certain things. For us, we absolutely love this brand for dishware. We do want to look at and see if they have other stuff as well, because we love their quality. As you guys can see, we're opening this up. Everything, from my recollection, we've got tons of bowls, tons of dishes, and you know, we use them every single day. I don't think a single item has ever come cracked or chipped. Fingers crossed, but they always package everything so perfect. So as you guys can see, this is heavy duty. This is not some run-of-the-mill knockoff. So really nice casserole dish. I mean, just really nice. You guys can make lasagna, different casseroles, all kinds of stuff in here. So another thing why we like their stuff is because, let's read off. Normally all of their stuff is rated for the same temperature, which is nice because, you know, okay, if I'm getting from this brand, I know that all of their kitchen stuff, all their plates, bowls are rated for basically the same exact temperature. So it's microwavable safe, it's oven safe up to 240 degrees Celsius, which is 464 degrees Fahrenheit. It's dishwasher safe as well. And it's porcelain. So guys, as you can see, this is a nice heavy duty one. All right, let's go make some food because I am hungry. All right guys, we're making some cannoli. So we got it in the oven. Now we just need to wait 45 minutes to an hour. See you guys in a bit. Oh guys, does this not look delicious or what, my friends? Alright guys, overall, delicious. The pan worked great, no issues, cooked it great, absolutely love it.